Hi, I'm Joey. In this video, I'm going to tell you about Tradingviews scalping indicator. You can see on the chart right now the indicator. I will tell you in a very cool trick to use this indicator, due to which your risk-reward ratio will be less than 1%. When you use this indicator, you will see a lot of buy and sell signals. You can filter these signals by using the strategy I will tell you right now. First of all, there is a link in the description to join the best trading platform in the world and trade with it. You will get some such signals to execute buy trade. Second, you have to see the green colored line which should be formed for the buy trade. After that, you will get a green colored arrow at the bottom. As now the red line has been converted to a green line and below is the arrow creative green color. The first time such a situation is created for a buy trade, you do not have to execute your trade. Here is the second time green color arrow has been created. So this is the right time to execute your buy trade here. And you have to set stop loss 2 pips below the candle. And the target of profit will be of 1:1. Our target of profit has been hit, and you can book profit in another way if you want. With the green line, you can move your stop loss upwards. And when the red arrow is created, you will book your profit. We have to execute the trade of our sale in the same way as we had executed the trade of buy. Now you see in the market, a lot of sell signal has been received and the line has just turned red. The first time whenever red color arrow is created along the red line, we will not trade on it. We will wait for the second time arrow to be created. Second time here arrow is created with a red line. Now we will execute our trade here. The stop loss will be 2 pips above the candle. And the target of profit we will set 1:1. Our target of profit has been hit. So before testing this strategy, do some more trades quickly so that you can understand better. I hope you have understood. Now how to execute a buy trade and execute a sell trade. If you like this strategy, then please do share the video. And to generate profit it is very important to have a good trading platform. I have given a link in the description below of a good trading platform, in which you will have to pay 0% commission. So if you want, you can increase your profit and move the stop loss upwards. We have made 5 trades out of which only 1 trade is a loss. So now let's test the indicator. After testing, I will tell you how to install this indicator on your Tradingview. And we will talk about some important trading points, so let's start testing. So we have completed the testing of this indicator. And we have got its winning ratio of 70%. And as you saw the risk-reward ratio was less than 1%. If you use this indicator then you will get to see 40% account growth within 7 days. To add indicator to your Tradingview, you have to go to indicators and then open public library. And then you will find that indicator here. You will see the name of the indicator on the screen. You can also search it. So how do you like this indicator with this start G? Do tell in the comment box. The most important thing you can invest in as a Forex trader is your time. Every single trading day is a learning experience, and if you stop learning, then you will never become a truly successful trader. Take into account how much time it will take you to learn the basics. Traders will do well to keep in mind the helpful tips to winning Forex trading revealed in this guide. Number 1, pay attention to pivot levels. Number 2, trade with an edge. Number 3, preserve your trading capital. Number 4, simplify your market analysis. Number 5. Place stops at genuinely reasonable levels. Trading strategies are never perfect. Because the market will never be predictable 100% of the time. There will be times when any strategy fails. And stop points are reached before profits are realized. Continuous backtesting, remaining patient, and setting stops are the true secrets of Forex success.